Hello, welcome to Formulate Butter Lab, a place where you can learn how to formulate your skin and hair care products from scratch, and a place where you can gain extensive knowledge as a cosmetic formulator. So if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Hi and welcome once again. So in today's video we are going to be formulating a simple hydrating face toner, and we're going to be using just 4 ingredients. We are going to be using rose water. Rose water is a great toner. We're also going to be using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a powerful moisturizer, and we will be using a preservative. We're using Germall Plus for this formulation. We're also going to be using Glycerin, and we are going to be using a container to store our toner after formulation. I chose to use a dropper bottle because I just love having my toner in it, so feel free to use any container of your choice. I will also be using a container for our mixing, and we'll also be needing a spatula or a spoon. So the first thing to do is to measure our aloe vera gel. One thing I love about aloe vera gel is that aside from its moisturizing properties, it also helps to soothe irritation and redness. It also helps to speed up wound healing. The next thing we will be adding is our rose water. Rose water is a great toner. It regulates sebum production. It helps to balance the skin's pH, and it also helps to hydrate the skin. So after adding the rose water, you stir till the aloe vera gel and rose water are combined. The next thing to add is our glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It attracts water into the skin. It also helps to soften and smoothen the skin. So after adding in your glycerin, you stir again to combine. Here I added more aloe vera gel. I am going to drop the percentage of each ingredient used in this formulation in the description. Lastly, we are going to be adding our preservative. After adding our preservative, we will stir again and then pour our toner into our container. And here is our toner, looking so beautiful. You can apply this toner on your face after cleansing. One thing I love about this toner is that it's hydrating and it absorbs well into the skin. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye!